Hi everyone. Now I want to tell you about NFT. Um, a non-fungible token (NFT) is a non-interchangeable unit of data stored on the blockchain, a form of digital ledger that can be sold and traded. Types of NFT data units may be associated with digital files such as photo, videos, and audio. Because each token is uniquely identifiable, NFTs differ from most cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, which are fungible. Um, NFT launcher claim to provide a public certificate of authenticity or proof of ownership, but the legal rights conveyed by an NFT can be uncertain. NFT do not restrict the sharing or copying of the underlying digital files, don't necessarily convey the copyright of the digital files, and don't prevent to the creation of NFT with identical associated files. NFT have been used as a speculative assets, and they have drawn increasable criticism for the energy cost, for carbon food drive associated with validating blockchain transaction, as well as their frequent use in art scams. The NFT market has been compared to a Ponzi scheme. An NFT is a unit of data stored on the type of digital ledger called of blockchain, which can be sold and traded. NFT can be associated with a particular digital of physical assets, such as a file or a physical object, and links to use the assets for a specified purpose. An NFT, and if applied, the associable lines to use copy or display the underlying assets can be traded and sold on digital market. The external nature of NFT trading usually results in an informal exchange of ownership over the assets that has not legal basic for enforcement, and so often confers little more than use status symbols. NFT functions like cryptographic token, but unlike cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, NFTs aren't mutantly interchangeable, and so aren't fungible. While all Bitcoin are equal, each NFT may represent different underlying assets, and those may have a different value. NFTs are created when blockchain contained records containing cryptocurrencies hashed sets of characters that identify a set of data onto previously records, creating a chain of identifiable data block. These cryptocurrencies transactions processed ensures the authenticated of each digital files by providing a digital signature that track NFT ownership. Data links there are part of NFT records that, for example, may point to details about where the associated art is stored, can be affected by link. Uh, Ownership of an NFT doesn't inherently grant copyright or uh, intellectual property rights to the digital assets the NFT propose to represent. Someone may sell an NFT that represent their works, but the buyers will won't necessarily receive copyright to that work, so the sellers may create additional NFTs of the same works. So, an NFT is merely proof of ownership, separate from copyright. According to legal scholar um, Bessa Tushnet, in one sense, the purchase occurring whatever the art would world thinks they have accurate. They definitely don't own the copyright to the underlying work unless it is explicitly transformed. The first known NFT, Guartum, was created by uh, Kevin McCoy, and Until Dash in May 2014. It consists of a video clip made McCoy's wife Jennifer McCoy registered the video on the Namecoin blockchain and sold it to Dash for $4 during a live presentation for the Seven conference at the New Museum in the New York City. McCoy and Dash referred to the technology as monetized graphics. This is expectedly linked a non-fiction transition blockchain market to a work of art via a chain method enabled by Namecoin. This is a contract to the multi-until figure uh, metadata less colored coin of other blockchain and counterparty needed. In October 2015, the first NFT project, Azaria, was launched and demonstrated at uh, DevCon 1 in London. Ethereum first developers conference 3 months after the launch of the Ethereum blockchain. Most of the Ethereum 457 purchasable and tradable hexagonal title went unsold for more than 5 years until March 13th March 2021. Renvape interest in NFT speakers in buying friendly within 24 hours all title of the current version and the prior version each hardcore to 180C were sold for a total of $1 million. The term NFT only achieved wider usage with the RRC 721 standard, first proposed in 2017 via the Ethereum GitHub, following the launch of various NFT projects that year. The standard coincided with the launch of several NFT projects, including Cardio Cards, CryptoPunks, and projects that trade until cartoon characters released by the America studio Lover Labs on the Ethereum blockchain, and Ray Pair trading cards. The 2017 online games Crypto Kitles was monetized by selling tradable cat NFTs, and its success brought some public attention to NFT. So, thank you for watching. Bye.